Hey everybody, it's Mark again, and I'm giving you another update on this 1917 Junghans German mantle clock. You know, I fixed the bent shaft, I got the cam in, I fixed this great wheel spring, I put it all back together, and I was fixing to put it into the case, but I was wanting to make sure it was in beat, and I went to wind up the center arbor here, and nothing's catching. So now I have to take it back apart to figure out why it's not working properly. It was working, so now I have to let down this gear and let down this gear to take the power off before I take this bottom plate off. And y'all seen this before, but this is my letdown key. It is just a dowel with a slot in it, and then I drilled a hole to accommodate for some keys that have the little pointed area. But anyway, all you do is you put the key into the slot, give the clock a little bit of wind, and then release the click. And then let the dowel go in your hands. And I'm trying to do this on camera. So y'all could see it, which I'm not doing a very good job at doing that. Maybe if I put it over here. Anyway, that spring is now laid down, and I have to do the same thing to the other side. So, and then take this plate back off. So, like I said, I know it's a bunch of videos, and some people complain because my videos are short, but I told you I wasn't going to show you me taking this clock apart because this is new to me, but I want to keep you informed that sometimes, and the point of this video is, sometimes you think everything is ready to go, and you do one final check, and you discover that it's not ready to go, so you have to take everything back apart, figure out what was wrong with it. So Mike Scott, this video is for you. You know, you get somebody who's been working on clocks a little bit longer than you have, and even I don't consider myself a professional or an expert. Some people do. I don't. But anyway, even people who've been doing this for a long time still have to take movements apart and put them back together more than what they want to because things went wrong. Anyway, please leave me comments, and God bless.